What does that mean?
It means that people live in welfare traps in this country, and I see it right across my own constituency. It means that there are people who have no prospects in life because of the postal code where they're born. And I mean, you only have to talk to John Lonergan, the former governor of Mountjoy Prison, to explain exactly what that means. We want to empower people. We want to put in place genuine schemes that encourage and incentivize and assist people. And I'm talking about, you know, intergenerational poverty, intergenerational welfare dependency, which none of the sort of well, there are no proposals coming from any of the mainstream parties about this, about how you actually tackle it and about how you actually break those cycles. I mean, FOSS, or whatever it's called these days, Solace, you know, isn't about empowering people. It isn't about giving people opportunities in life, and that's what I believe in. That's my driving agenda in politics.
Those who are not self-reliant will be imprisoned. They'll be put into prison, or you know.
No. You understand what a metaphor is?
Yeah.
They are trapped.
I understand how it could be misunderstood.
Yeah, because I think most politicians, if they're honest, will tell you that they encounter, swathes of their constituencies where people are imprisoned by the welfare system, where they are not empowered by it, and where, you know, there are unacceptable levels of dropout from school, where there's a disproportionate number of young people who get involved in criminal activity, who are unfortunately not benefiting from the sort of prospects that children and people from other more affluent or middle class environments have in life. And I think we have to aspire to change that.
Okay. Just one other